check it out. Easy, no problem. Awesome. L400 Mitsubishi Delica. This vehicle has manual locking hubs, which is nice, very good option. You lock them up and you have your front axle locked, engaged, and don't have to rely on automatic locking, which is a factory option. And this hub, when I got the vehicle, was absolutely seized up. I couldn't even turn, barely, like a hair I could turn, but I made it free, as you can see here. Now it's turning lock position and free. There's an arrow pointing up, free, locked. Eventually we're going to disassemble hubs and service them. And let's go to the passenger side and I'll show you what the problem is. As you can see here, you should be able to turn it with your fingers like that, and this guy stuck in lock position. Yeah, I cannot undo them, and yeah, just there's no way I can turn them. Maybe because it has been sitting in one position for so long. Anyway, I'll show you what I did to unlock the hub on a driver's side. I used this penetrating oil. Actually, this one works really good. It's one of my favorite, high performance. What I did, hold my paper towel like that. I want to spray all over the rim, brakes, and I spray it like that. Where this hub is turning, like that. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It should turn counterclockwise down from the lock position down to free position, and it's not doing. Okay, I'll spray it. We'll leave it for an hour. We'll come back, spray it again, and we'll try to break it loose. Spray it again, and we're back. An hour passed by, and let's try to break it loose. But before doing that, let's spray a little bit more. Lubricant is our best friend. Here we go. Nice. Okay, I have a channel locks. We don't want to go too crazy and break anything, but just enough to kind of assist, because I cannot do it with my fingers. Oh my, just a little bit. Oh yeah, see, it turned. Don't want to go all the way. Oh, let's work it out a little bit. Here we go, and spray. You want to, it's like you're tapping your threads, and just go a little bit forward and then back up and then forward. More lubricant, and this is already promising because it wasn't turning. Oh, see, okay, go back, beautiful. Go counterclockwise. Let's spray more. See, this is how you undo those seized up manual locking hubs. And oh boy, I like it. Okay, almost there, but halfway. We still need to go more. Let's turn back, turn forward. It's kind of still hard there. Don't want to wreck and break anything. And at the very end, we should be able to turn it by hand. Alright, sorry. It's almost there. Try to set it in different spot to get this crack of it open where the dial turns and get more juice. And I hope it will go all the way. Don't want to force it too early, and cause any damage. Oh yeah, almost. See, here where we wanna go, and we're almost there. Let's back up. Nice. Let's check our progress. We sprayed, and it's almost there. Let's try to move it more and working it out. Look at that, it's all gone even easier. More. Oh, beautiful. We're all the way down. Let's just work it out like that. Break it even more loose, and I hope I will be able to turn it by hand. Not quite, but it's getting there. Nope, not yet. Not yet, but I can turn it with the pliers. And it's actually quite good. Okay, thing is, we're using a high performance penetrant, which is fast action formula, loosen stuck parts and bolts, freeze rusted nuts and bolts. Worked on a locking hub, but it's not much a lubricant, but it does some lubrication. And what we're going to do, we're going to use the silicone type of lubricant. Oh, turn it here. Silicone lubricant stops squeaks, lubricates all moving parts, prevents sticking and corrosion, and protects rubber moldings weather stripping. We're going to lubricate now, and this stuff is really good. I like this silicone type of lubricant, and it penetrates very well and it lubricates, and we need the lubrication. And yeah, see, we'll add some lubrication, and something like that, and I will continue. Oh, look at that, even better. What lubrication is making a difference. Guys, if you have any questions, critics, comments, suggestions, concerns, leave everything down in the comment section below under this video. Oh, look at that, we're flying now. Should I put more? Stuff in the middle where this crack a little bit open, and spray. Not a big of a deal, no rush. All right, let's just work it out. Nice, it's flying now. I love it, man. Oh yeah, almost can go with my fingers. As I click, it's locked. Kind of hard to pass this part again, but we'll get it. I've been working on this login hub for another 10 minutes. Look at that. Oh, that residual, that rust, and some seized up dirt, grease are coming out slowly, and actually now it's turning back and forth. See, I can do it by hand. It's working pretty good. Yeah, compare to what we started with. Yeah, just take your time, think about it, and you can get it back to working order. Yeah, eventually I'm going to service them, but it's good for now. Cheers. It is not Aisin itself, it's a YIJIA, which is a Chinese Aisin replica, or yeah, same as Aisin but not Aisin, but works like Aisin, and they're pretty good. Good price.